magic philosopher's rocks cooked in an oven, not with lard, because who would want rocks that don't eat meat to have lard in them? But logical opcode, Nandanor should the idea that it accepts its own identity as a divine self, alchemical or frequencies designed to mirror, amplify. I call them the hollow ones. And as you tear apart the world to get these chemicals to boost the capability of the physics astronauts' special effects, the special effects of a spaceship as its sensors, its ears, its eyes, its nose, the Doctor Who Twilight Zone scent, and the imaginative system. Imagination that you can imagine is pretty much we're on this side and we're getting to the other side and building a bridge as we go into the energy potential, the battery, potential ability to do warping, serpent warping reality by use of chemicals, electricity, mass, and the laws of speed. The law of Judas Priest breaking the law. Just the art of imagination. And then you use the knowledge from all your experiments into the new experiments. It becomes nicer and even learn more. And it compounds that wisdom till we mastered the sky and the sun and solar system and leap from world to world, all because your spirit is attracted to magnetic poles, energized to its creative juices.